What if this week you committed to doing the thing you're most afraid of doing? Posting that YouTube video, asking for that promotion at work, finally starting that business you've been talking about. How do you think your life might change? That is the question I am starting off with this 6th week of my self-edit journey. And I want you to ask yourself the same question, because I don't know about you, but I'm a little tired of letting fear be the driver of my life. And judging by some of the comments I've received in my last video, it sounds like some of you guys may be feeling the same way. If you are, let me know in the comments, because this week we're gonna do something together that'll show fear who's really in charge. Let there be light. Oh, this one. You over here on life support. You need to be replaced. Are you finally ready to promote your product? I think so. You sure? You don't sound like it. I mean, really, what's the worst that can happen? Nobody buys it? Yeah, that would be kind of bad. But well, then you just figure out what went wrong and you fix it. That's it. You're right. You're right. We got this. Good morning, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I slept in a little bit today, just a little bit. And I took Sunday and Monday off because one thing I've learned on this journey, if your body is telling you that it's time to rest, you gotta listen to it. You gotta listen to it. Otherwise, it's gonna force you to take some time off, okay? You guys should be so proud of me. I have actually been making the bed, not every day, I ain't gonna lie, but I've been trying. It's not perfect, but it's done. My laundry, pretty much a permanent fixture for this week in the bedroom until I have a minute to put it away. Let's go over to the living room and talk business. All right, so my theme for this week is do it afraid. Do it even though you are afraid, okay? And I am encouraging anyone that's watching this video to do it afraid along with me. If there's anything you've been kind of like putting off because you're in your head about it, we're doing it this week. Even if you're taking just a small teensy weensy step towards accomplishing that thing that's scaring you, I'm here for it. Here's a prompt that you can type into ChatGPT, Claude, or whatever AI agent you use to help you identify what you've been avoiding and why. What's one thing I've been putting off because of fear, perfectionism, or self-doubt, but that could move my life or creative business forward if I just started? What's the smallest next step I could take toward it just to shift the energy? I know, chat, you're not telling me anything I don't already know. Okay, so I know what I am doing this week, promoting my products. And as I mentioned in my previous video, when it's time to launch, I disappear, like ghost. Where is Onye? Where is she? And that's usually fear of failure. The alternative to putting myself out there is zero sales, okay? So I might as well try that and get out of my own way and stop letting fear be the driver of my life. If you're joining me and stepping out on faith this week, go ahead and leave a comment letting me know what's one small step you're willing to take this week to prove to yourself that you will not let fear get in the way of accomplishing your goal. Let me know in the comments. In the meantime, I've got some planning to do. I don't know what took us so long, but we finally have a printer in this house, dear Lord. No more trips to Kinko's and FedEx just to print out one sheet of paper and pay $10. All right, this printer is making some noises and doing something. While that's happening, I am going to really quickly try to get something up on Substack. So ChatGPT helped me come up with a whole strategy for Substack, and it helped me come up with content ideas as well. So today is what we are calling, what are we calling today? Where's my Substack chat? Where is she? Today is Gear Drop Tuesday, where I pretty much highlight a new piece of gear. And my strategy for Substack is just keep it simple. Keep it simple because YouTube takes a good amount of my time.
One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level. That's what you
Morning, guys. Can you see my eyes, how exhausted I am? I'm tired. And I know yesterday I was talking about listening to your body when it tells you to slow down, but oh, I finally got this printer to work and I have my marketing plan printed out. Today, my focus is creating something. Because I sure as heck have been talking about promoting for the past 2 weeks, right? It's time to walk the walk. It's time to walk the walk. Okay. You bought a new camera, now what? You bought a new camera, now what? So you bought a new camera, now what? Stop letting this one setting ruin your content. Stop letting this one setting ruin your photos. Your content isn't ugly. You're just using the wrong lens. Your content isn't ugly. You're just using the wrong lens. Okay, so I should not be doing this when I'm exhausted, but here we are. Tomorrow, I'm going to a Sigma event. They have one of my all-time favorite photographers, Meg Looks. I believe that's how you say her last name. Amazing. I have followed her for years. She has such a beautiful home. She takes beautiful photos. She had me wanting to move to a farm, okay, and raise some chickens. Like, I was ready to live that farm life, okay? But anyway, she's doing a workshop. I am so excited about that.
Summer is always surprising me. Just a bit. It's July, then it's gone, and I haven't moved on. Summer
Bless your kind heart.
is confusing me.
Yeah, you can just like
Check it out, guys.
Can you do that again?
It's getting old.
That's a nice lens. Thank you. It's beautiful. This is a Canon power shot, yeah. My appointment was at 12:30. Now they changed it to 9:30.
It's hurting me, disturbing me. Thought it was a warning, looking for clues to see the truth, but it was just deceiving. Tell me why it has to mess.
I am currently in my learning how to cook era, so please don't judge. Don't judge.
Even on my nights off, I can't even rest up for the morning. Tell me why it has to follow me around.
Oh, that man crazy. Girl, you find him. Send him back, girl. Send him back.
Even if I try to.
Y'all, yesterday's event was nothing short of amazing. It was everything. I got to meet my favorite photographer. She shared a bunch of great tips. Your girl was in there scribbling down her notes. Anyway, I don't think I mentioned it, but yesterday I took the Canon PowerShot V1 along with me to see how it handles a full day of vlogging. I was really hoping to get that video out this week, but look, let me tell you something. I'm not gonna stress myself in the name of getting 2 videos out a week. Like, I'm barely holding on, so I think I'll just push it to next week. And just a heads up, I am trying something new with my tech review videos. In the past, they were very techy, like, I am a robot, do you like my camera? And and I feel like I want to do more like real life example tech reviews. So show how the camera performs in real life settings, okay? So that's what next week's video will be, pretty much a full day vlog, including the event that I attended. So if you do run across that next week, don't hesitate to leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think about that style of tech review. Thank you in advance. Oh, this memory card is almost done, y'all. Girl, be talking too much. Today is just about filming and editing content. I'm gonna edit the promotional TikToks that I recorded yesterday. Although, truth be told, I kind of want to re-record them because I look crazy. Why you didn't tell me I look crazy? You didn't tell me. Anyway, I might re-record those, and also I want to record just regular TikToks because I haven't posted on TikTok since June, and so I don't want to come back after a long hiatus. My first video was like, buy my book, buy it. You know what I mean? Like. So I need like regular content leading up to when I post this content. Look at all these Substack notifications, y'all. Substack has been doing the dang on thing for me, and I love that, especially since I'm not putting that much energy into it as of right now. So yeah, let's get this day started.
That's what you said.
When I first started creating content, I just used the kit lens that came with my camera. As you can see, we got a lot more background blur. As much as I use ChatGPT daily, I've never given it a name. I've just been calling it by its government-issued name, ChatGPT. But that ends today. All right, guys, you won't believe it, but I finally am ready to post my promotional content for my digital product. Why am I making this such a big ordeal? Y'all probably like, girl, just post it and move on. Just post the content at this point. Okay, I'm about to airdrop it to myself. Y'all can see the whole thing on TikTok, but let me show y'all real quick what she did. Okay, come on in. Your content isn't ugly. You're just using the wrong lens. When I first started creating content, I just used the kit lens that came with my camera. Boy, was I wrong. It had me looking a VIP preview right there, okay? VIP access. Don't ever say I didn't give you anything. Don't ever say it, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask ChatGPT for a quick caption for it. Working smarter, not harder. You help me with a quick TikTok caption for this video, as well as a YouTube short title. Oh, my microphone is way over there. I hope y'all can hear me. ChatGPT been taking a little longer these days. I feel like the word is getting out about the cheat code that is ChatGPT, and I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, boom, boom. Got our captions in our title. All right, let me just type this in. Psych, let me just copy and paste this to myself. This is why I like the Apple Ecosphere? No. Girl, your brain is tired. And she's loading, and she's loading. Boom. We did it. We did it. It only took me 2-3 weeks, but we did it. I don't have high expectations, you know what I mean? Because people have to see a product quite a few times before they hit the buy button. But I'm going to give myself a pat on the back, a round of applause, because I did it. I did it. Just a couple of weeks ago, I created my product, right? And now we're promoting it. We're promoting it. It's in God's hands now. It's in God's hands now, y'all. But that's it for me. No. I'm going to record a couple more TikToks just so I have them for the next few days. And I'm going to log off for today. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk, guys.
You see my hottie, I feel run, giddy when I pull up on you. Yeah, I mean, I feel act when I see you blushing, girl, you put me on. Yeah, girl, I want, girl, I want, girl, I like you, so me want, girl, I want, girl, I want, girl, I like you like me too.
Good morning, guys. Reporting live from my unfinished bathroom. But that's neither here nor there. The week has finally come to an end. I'm not gonna lie, this week drained me again too. But a quick recap, we finally promoted our product. As of right now, we still have 0 sales. I'm going to keep creating content. I'm going to keep promoting my products. And I truly believe it is only up from here. Now, next week, I think I will focus on creating my revenue tracker and just going through what we've brought in thus far. So stay tuned for that. But as far as this week, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Thank you for watching. Love y'all.